Aruna, and thanks for taking time out to be joining us in the AI Summit. It was a pleasure listening to you and your views around how Microsoft is contributing to this summit and at large, nation and globally. Aruna, what's your view in this AI Summit? What are we looking forward to as an outcome? And how are we invested as an organization of scale like a Microsoft?
So first of all, it's just amazing to see this whole summit coming together. It's one of its kind, and how the government is bringing together everyone. It's absolutely amazing to see. Second, from a Microsoft standpoint, we truly invested in how we want to, as Satya says, diffuse AI across India. And one of our commitments we've made from an investment standpoint is the 17.5 billion investments into the country. We also are really investing a lot in the AI skilling, which is super important for us to really diffuse, use AI for the different facets of AI. So I think it's a fantastic event to bring everything together, from large enterprises to small to the government, and it's a three-way thing, I would say, to kind of bring it all together.
Phenomenal. I think it's great to hear because it's practically resonating with the agenda, the theme, and the objectives that are laid out for this particular forum. There is immense work that is happening on ground, and you rightly captured from startup to the policymakers domestically, and we see so much expat movement in this particular arena. So what's your view? What are the global guys eyeing at, and what do you have an offer in return to their visit here? What do they take away?
So I think, first of all, India as a country, we are number 4. We anytime will become number 3. So it's for everyone to be in India is super important, and we have all the policies, the processes, and the people to make it happen. And I think everyone who's coming here is to kind of looking at it to say that which part of their business, their activity, their area they can really benefit by using AI, by investing in AI and getting the right outcomes which they really truly want.
Lovely. Now I have a two-pronged question. One is the opportunity and the magnitude that AI has and Microsoft is kind of rightly invested into, and what on the flip side are the challenges that we are trying to mitigate so that early adoption and readiness for this ecosystem is something that Microsoft is providing for.
So I think there are a number of things which we are truly providing to everyone. One is on the skilling. Second is through our partners ecosystem like EY. We're really spreading across the whole gambit of the country to ensure that people know what they can use and what they can really build on. Third, we're also looking at how, true to our mission, how our mission is basically to say that how do we empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more, and true to that we are kind of saying that how we can enhance their innovations, their customer experiences, their employee experiences and operations. So it is across all the spectrum we are supporting them to drive growth and more from what we are investing.
You did talk a lot about upskilling there, and we see a lot of students and the startup ecosystem who are really keen to know what's happening with the players who are invested into this engine, and what about the entire adoption of and depletion of newer skill creation, right? A lot of students ask those questions. So what is your one theme that you would want to leave back with the youngsters in the country to saying that what do they need to invest in to be ready to be adopted in these times of change?
So I think there was a lot of questions around, how, what kind of skills they need to enhance. Will there be really jobs or not? I think it's so important to understand that AI and all of this is going to really open up a different spectrum of jobs, businesses, innovations. So hence, all the people, what they really need to do is that how do they use AI to their advantage? So unlearning, learning, enhancing, and things are changing very fast. So the changing, I think adopting very fast, changing very fast, and learning very fast is the super crucial.
Beautiful. And the last one that I would want to probe into saying, we heard that government and departments are fast adopting change. Digital adoption has become the key to all of compliances and reporting, and hence the entire ecosystem is buzzing with a lot of action. Are we ready? Is the entire ecosystem of the industry ready to start serving and reciprocating that speed of change? I think you have a big role to play as MS. So what's your take on that?
No, absolutely. And it is truly amazing to see how government is adopting AI and integrating all the data points across different spectrums. So even things as internally as companies we never thought could be integrated are now getting integrated. So it's very important for every business, every organization, every individual to ensure that they are reviewing these, integrating these, and being ready to kind of face, or I wouldn't say face, but to kind of answer to the government. But I think this is extremely important for a country like India, where we have such a huge, I would say, population, such a huge ecosystem. So it's very important for us to do that, and all that can only be built if they have the right data layer, if they have the right infrastructure layer, and the right skill set layer. So we're ready to help every business.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much for coming over and talking to us and sharing your views, Aruna. Thank you so much.